Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to drive Acura RDX full guide. Start by adjusting your driver's seat, steering column, and mirrors for comfort and visibility, then fasten your seatbelt and confirm doors are closed. Learn the location of parking brake, gear selector, and infotainment controls so you can operate them confidently while parked. Always check gauges and warning lights before driving and plan your first basic maneuvers in a safe, low-traffic area. Warm up by pressing the brake and starting the engine, then shift from park to drive while holding the brake. Release the parking brake slowly and apply gentle throttle to begin rolling. Anticipate delays in steering response in tight turns. Use small steering adjustments for lane positioning and accelerate smoothly to maintain control. Check mirrors and blind spots frequently and practice these motions until they feel natural before driving in heavier traffic. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like, it really helps. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep and in-car lunches easy and spill-free, perfect for drivers who eat on the go or pack workday meals. They stack neatly, seal tightly, and save cleanup time between drives. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Practice braking and steering techniques to keep the RDX composed and safe, using progressive brake pressure for smooth stops and avoiding abrupt inputs. Engage driver assists like adaptive cruise and lane, keep only when road conditions are suitable, and remain ready to take control instantly. Maintain a safe following distance that accounts for speed and weather, and be mindful of tire grip and road camber when cornering to reduce understeer or oversteer tendencies.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.